Testing, testing. It works. Hello, my dudes. Welcome back to my channel, Yao. I've been working on my game, BobCrates. This is beta 1. So I finally released this, the beta 1. It says beta over here. I add some clouds. And I also add clouds in the game, like so. As you can see, it's clouds. It's fucking awesome. Go and download it now on my site on itch.io. I have a link down below. Right. I also added a real end credit. So it's like when you finish the game, the end credit will roll, and I had some cool animation and stuff, and yeah, it's really rewarding to actually win the game. So download this game, try it out, win it, look at my cool animation. I don't gonna spoil it here, but yeah, download it, play it, beat the game, beat your meat, and then play the game again and finish it, and look at my final credit finish animation and stuff. And another news I have is that someone asked for another teardown level. I happy to announce that I'm working on a new tier map level here in Magica Voxel. That's the program I use to that everybody use, I think, to make teardown maps. So this is some concrete foundation that will be the foundation of my new level. That's all I have to say about that right now. I'm gonna upload devlogs for my new map. It's gonna be different from my older Ars and Dreams maps. I don't have any plans to add some vehicles and ramps and stuff on this. This will be purely destruction though, so it's gonna start off as a pretty small map with one single big building, but it's gonna be a very fun map, I think, and of course it's gonna be fun. I make it, so of course I'm gonna make it fun. I promise you. But who knows? Maybe I will do more maps in future, and I'm gonna reduce this with my other assets from older maps and make bigger maps. But when I design something from scratch like this one, it's gonna be like a little smaller, more unique map to play, and then I'm gonna like make bigger maps with some other asset I use to mash it up, make other versions of stuff. Like if you tried my Water World map, I also made a Water World 2, which used the same assets, but I just reduced them to make another completely different map with the same stuff inside. But now I'm making new stuff here from the scratch. This is gonna be some concrete foundation to a new tower I plan to make, and it's gonna be on these pillars here, which we stand in water, and you can destroy everything. The concrete can be destroyed, so we had the choice to sink it into the water or burn down the stuff. But concrete don't burn, so you can blow it up with some dynamites or something like that. So yeah, maybe I will someday make a map in Teardown that be 100% instructable, but that will be only for the lols. I can't manage a map in Teardown that can't be destroyed, so my focus is to be able to destroy exactly everything in the Teardown map. No exception. And no exception this time either, so I hope you got your guys hyped on this project. And download my BobCrates game on each chat though. I have a link down below. You can also try my Teardown maps I already made in my workshop on Steam. And yeah, I have another project in mind also. I began to work on, I don't gonna tell so much about that yet, but it's gonna be like a second game of a great game I made a couple of years ago, but it's just in early prototype stage, so I will come back to that later. So that's my news today, and I'm gonna work on this now. So see you later, alligators. And if you have any ideas how to make some more cool teardown maps, if you had any ideas on what is, how to make things in teardown, if you have any ideas you want me to make, just let me know. Just write down a comment on the YouTube. I will read everything when I have time. So yeah. Alright. Have a nice day, guys, and don't forget to have a nice day. And have a nice day and stuff. And give this video a thumbs up. Yeah. Serenade out.